Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Xiaomi A Pro TV isn't turning on. So, if your TV isn't turning on with your remote control, then make sure that your batteries are charged or simply try to replace them. In the meantime, you can launch your TV by short pressing the power button at the bottom. And if your TV doesn't turn on after pressing the power button, make sure that your power cord is properly connected both into the power outlets and into your TV. Now, in order to plug it properly into your TV, you actually have to apply a little bit of force. Try not to hold on to your TV screen while you're doing that. But basically, you're gonna need to make sure that it sits firmly inside of your TV. Make sure that it's not moving too much. And also check your power outlets that you're using. Maybe it's not delivering enough power to your TV. So maybe try to use just the wall socket instead if you have it around. Or try using a different power outlet. And if using the different power outlet doesn't work for you, you may try to reset your TV using recovery mode. However, in order for you to do this, you're gonna need to actually boot your TV. So your TV will need to start at least in general. So you should be able to see the LED indicator starting to blink or glow at the bottom of your TV. So if it happens, then you can reset your TV pretty easily. All you have to do is grab your remote control. Once again, make sure that that the batteries are charged. Hold down the central key, the middle D-pad key or OK key, and back key at the same time. Just press and hold them at the same time. Keep them pressed while plugging your TV back into the power outlet. Give me a moment. Okay, and now let's hold down these two keys. And in the moment you will see the Xiaomi logo on your screen. Keep holding them. And after a couple of seconds, you will see the recovery menu. In this menu, you'll be able to navigate by short pressing the power button at the bottom of your TV. This will switch you to the following option on the list. And if you want to select any option, you have to hold down the power button for a couple of seconds. So in order to perform a factory reset operation, you're going to need to navigate down to wipe data / factory reset option and then hold down the power button. On the following screen, you're going to have to select factory data reset and hold down the power button once again. Then hold down the power button once more to select reboot system now and wait until your TV is reset and restarted. After the restart, your TV should start working again. If not, then you should definitely reach out to Xiaomi customer support service and tell them about this issue, because at this point this issue must be hardware related, and you'd better get your TV replaced at a certified service center. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.